All right, we're going to do a little demonstration here. We all know about the story about Galileo, where he drops two cannonballs from the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Whether that's a real story or not, that's not the point. But the point of the story is that he dropped two different masses of cannonballs to show that they would land at the same time. And it is true for the height that he used, but it's not necessarily true for long distances or for light weights. And here I have two coffee filter cones, and I'm going to drop them both at from about a meter, and see what happens. This is a meter. This little red mark here, this is a meter. I've already measured it, and these are about 1 gram each. So drop them, they land together. Let's do that again. This is Blanca, she's my beautiful assistant. Okay, you need to move away a little bit. There you go. Drop them again from about 1 meter, and they land at the same time. Now, let's take 2 filters, and let's drop these at the same time. Now, Galileo had two different, the story goes that Galileo had 2 different cannonballs of different masses, but for the distance that he traveled, it didn't make much difference. Now I've got basically a 1 gram mass here and a 2 gram mass here, and we're going to drop them, and I hope it doesn't drop on you, Blanca, but let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oh, the 2 gram landed sooner. So now I'm going to adjust. I'm going to give this a little more height and drop them. Blanca, you need to move. We'll just do it over on this side. Okay, it still landed sooner. Okay, let's raise it a little more, and I'm going to try to eyeball where it is. I've got some marks on here. It's like between these 2 marks. It's going to hit you, Blanca. Oh, that was about the right size. I mean, the right height. So from 1 meter, I think it was about right here. A little, let's do it again. I think it might have been too high. Let's go about right here, just above that 1 mark. Oh, hit your head, Blanca. Okay, let's do it. 1 and okay, that one's still dropping sooner. Let's see. That's about right. 1. Blanca, you're in the way, and the wind's playing. Okay, that's about it. 1 meter and whatever that mark is. We'll do it one more time. Oh, I hit the pole. That looks good. So I'm going to move the yellow mark right at that, and we'll try it again. I'm getting eaten up by mosquitoes out here. That's good. Now we're going to do the same thing with three filters, and hopefully I'll be able to reach a point. I may just have to bring this down. I don't think I can get up that high. Let's see. Now, where was I? But that was such, it was about arm stretch. Let's try here. That looks good. Okay, so my arm stretch is right around that one. Oh, that is too loose. Let's see if that's where it is. Okay, that's close. Now we're going to measure. So this was one paper cup or one coffee filter, and this is 3 coffee filters. So this is 1 gram, this is 3 grams. Now we're going to measure. What did I do with my tape measure? Now I had originally set this as a meter, and it's a meter. And now let's see, this one is at, that's a meter, this is at 152. And I can't see that. That's at 179. So we've got 152, and 179. Those are the 3 areas where it dropped. So for 1 filter, 1 meter, 2 filters, what did I say? Well, let me repeat it. 152, and for 3 meters was 179. Okay? Yes, 1.79. Okay.